I'm going to show you the glute bridge walkouts. There's a couple different variations of which you can do this one. For the version I'm going to show you today is just going to be simply doing knee extension in that bridge position. Our most important part is that the hip stays level, right? Once you come up to that top position, when you start kicking up one of the legs, your hips are going to want to drop side to side. So your goal is to keep that as level as you can, all right? So if you want a full breakdown of how to do proper bridge, make sure you kind of sneak back to one of the previous videos. But from here, we're going to push that in, come up into that bridge position. Okay, make sure you're not using your back in this position. It's staying with the glutes. So you can drop your arms to the side if you want. From here, we're going to simply lift one leg off the ground. Now, what you want to do is the work being done is from this position, right, from both legs to that first leg being off the ground. That's literally where most of the work is being done. This extra part, right, extending the knee, that's great, but most of the work is literally transferring the weight over to the opposite side as you're holding your pelvis in a neutral position. So squeezing both glutes, squeezing the left as the right leg comes up, come back down, and alternate. What I don't want to see is this, right? So make sure this stays where it is and just extend out, okay? What you can also do is either do a walkout, keeping the glutes firing, and then walk them back in. Okay? It's very similar to doing kind of like a hamstring curl, or if you have a slider, you can put that underneath your foot, or if you're doing it as a home program and you're on, let's say, like lino flooring and you have socks on, that'll work just as well, right? The whole goal of it, and most important part of it, is that you maintain that level hip position using your glutes. So if you're feeling all of this in your lower back, right, that means that that load is being shifted to the back and your back is just trying to hyperextend to keep you up. So keep that force isolated to the glutes. You may feel a bit in the hamstrings as the glutes weaken. Okay? So give it a